Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Amardeep.
And I'm Nancy. We're happy to have you with us today.
Today's topic is learn how to talk about yourself in English. Easy introductions for beginners.
That's right. Many English learners know grammar and vocabulary, but they often feel nervous when someone asks, "Can you tell me about yourself?"
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll learn some simple and natural ways to introduce yourself in English.
Let's get started.
The first thing people usually say is their name.
Yes. Here are some simple examples.
Hi, my name is Amardeep.
Or, "Hello, I'm Nancy."
Both are easy and natural.
Let's make a short introduction.
Hi, my name is Amardeep.
Nice to meet you, Amardeep. I'm Nancy.
Nice to meet you too.
After saying your name, you can talk about where you're from.
For example, I'm from England.
Or, I live in London.
Let's hear it in a conversation.
Amardeep, where are you from?
I'm from England. And I live in London.
That's great.
Next, you can talk about what you do.
If you're a student, you can say, "I'm a student."
Or, I study English.
If you work, you can say, "I'm a teacher."
Or, I work in an office.
Simple sentences are perfectly fine. You don't need complicated English.
Now, let's talk about hobbies and interests.
This is a great way to continue a conversation.
For example, I enjoy reading books.
Or, I like listening to music.
You can also say, my hobby is photography.
Here's a short example. What do you like to do in your free time, Amardeep?
I enjoy reading books and learning new things online.
That sounds interesting.
Now, let's combine everything into one complete introduction. Listen carefully. Hello. My name is Amardeep. I'm from England, and I live in London. I enjoy teaching English and creating educational content. In my free time, I like reading books and listening to music. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. That's a simple and natural introduction. Let's practice some common questions.
Great idea.
What's your name?
My name is Amardeep.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
Perfect!
These are questions you'll hear very often.
Before we finish, here are 3 quick tips.
Tip number 1. Keep your sentences short and simple.
Tip number 2. Speak slowly and clearly.
Tip number 3. Practice introducing yourself every day.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Let's review today's easy introduction.
Hi, my name is Amardeep. I'm from England. I'm an English teacher. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. Nice to meet you.
Simple, natural, and easy to remember.
Thanks for joining us today.
We hope this conversation helps you introduce yourself confidently in English.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking English.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please follow our Facebook and YouTube page and like this video and leave a comment.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.